Happy 4th of July, everyone. Hambo Investments here. It's been a long time coming. I have not been in the routine of doing videos. I've had a million things going on. Hopefully I can get back in the routine. I'm going to make a few updates today. A couple M1 Finance ones. This one being my June update for my taxable account. I will do a M1 Finance Roth account, and I will try to do a Fundrise update today. I will make up for some lost time. Like I said, I've had a million things going on. Before I was in training for almost a month of May and got back, and I did one video since then, and just have not been in a routine. For those of you who don't know, I'm up here in Canada working, and I met my wife here a few years ago, and we've been married almost 2 years. But I'm going to be going back to the U.S. here in the next 4 months, and we finally finalized all of our immigration for her to come to the U.S. So, we just got back from our interview in Montreal. Before that, we were in our medical in Vancouver, and it is a very tough process along with everything else going on. I put my home up for sale in Seattle, because I am going back to the U.S., but it will not be in Washington State. I will be relocating to North Carolina, so it will be a big change. Never lived in North Carolina, so hopefully I've done a lot of research on it, and it looks like it will be a great place to live. So let's get into the update on M1 Finance. Again, that's a little bit background on me. Hopefully I'll get back in a routine. Thank you, everyone, for your support on the channel. The channel has been continuing to grow slow and steady, even since I haven't been consistent in videos lately. So I appreciate that. So M1 Finance, if you don't know, it's a way to have a no commission way to invest in the stock market and kind of grow your account at your own pace, and you can get fractional shares, which allows you to grow without having to spend a lot of money up front for some of the bigger stocks. So this month they do have a promotion where you get $20 added to your account if you deposit $100. I will get $20 as well for it, so I appreciate if you are interested to use the link, but please do your own research and due diligence before you invest. This is my account. This is what I do, so please do research before you put your own money into it. That being said, I highly recommend it. It has been nothing but good, a good platform for me. And yeah, so I will leave a link down below. If you want to use the link, please do. If not, I appreciate you watching the video. And so, yeah, let's go over the month. It's been a very good month in the stock market. I wish I would be taking advantage in other aspects of my investing. My 401k, I've been really conservative in my 401k, so I'm not going benefiting that much in that regards, but this account's doing well. So in the month, so $478 market gains and almost $18 in earned dividends. I want to step that up in this account and get it over $20. I'm only doing $50 deposits every Wednesday right now in this account, so it is going slow just because I do have so many other investments going on right now. That I'm slowly building this account, but I want to step it up in the near future. Let's see some of my activities. This account is starting to get dividends majority of the time, so I really enjoy that. And so it will build up quicker the more dividends I get and reinvest in the dividends into it. Some of my bigger holdings right now are, Facebook, JD, McDonald's, O'Reilly, Plug, and some. I've sold a little bit of some of the profits on What's Blackstone showing that? So I'll have to check into that, but probably just a glitch. But Shopify, I sold some because it's just been going nuts. Starbucks, most of my account is dividend payers. I do have a few growth stocks in there, like the Facebooks and Amazons and a few, but 95% of this account is dividend based, income based, to get that passive monthly income. So yeah, so this is pretty much going to be my update for June. If you have any specific questions, leave it down below, but I just wanted to basically get on here, talk a little bit about M1 and give you a little bit of my background on why I haven't been posting lately. And again, I appreciate everyone. That being said, happy investing out there, and goodbye. Stay tuned for my Roth update coming up here. I will do that video next. Bye.